This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Week 2 of my Roth. We'll do this on the phone. I might do this a little slower this week because the last one, the week 1 was a little off. So let's get into this. Okay guys, welcome back. So we're looking at mine for this week. We had Neo, Nano Dimensions, and Zynga. And the Neo did sell. Well, it went well over. I think we had the 4650 call. So Neo did sell. Nano Dimensions, as we could see, is still that call is still here. It expires on the 15th, and Zynga, it didn't hit. So let's sell the Zynga call. So I'm just gonna click on Zynga here, and we want to go to the options. I'm just gonna click on it right here, and we can see we do want the week Zynga 1 week out. We were gonna sell the $10 call because that's above our cost basis, and I'm just gonna click right here on the 14, and this screen is gonna pop up, and we can see right here Zynga, the expiration date is a $10 strike. We're selling the call option, and I'm just gonna click trade, and we can see we are on the Zynga call. Here's what we read: Zynga expiration date, strike price. We're gonna sell to open. Remember, we're merchants. We're open for business now. We have coupons to sell. We're gonna sell to open, and estimated $14. And scroll up a little bit, you can see the review order button. We're going to verify the order. We're going to check the box to acknowledge that it is an extended hour order, and we're going to place order. And back at positions, again, Nano is done. Zynga we just did, so we have to find a new stock to buy now. So I switched to Robinhood, and I'm just going to look. We have about $5,000 available. So ooh, look, Nokia hit $4. Maybe those will sell. I was thinking of doing Neo again, but it's already above $50. I don't know if I really want to mess with that. I thought about doing we could do MO, Alteria, or I think I'm gonna do Lyft. Lyft is sitting at 49.30. I'm thinking to myself, I could sell the 49.50 call. So yeah, let's do Lyft. And while I do think that's kind of high, but that's fine. So 1 second here. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the 3 little lines here. We're gonna hit that. This is our navigator for all of our menus. So we hit that, and we're gonna go to trade. We're gonna hit trade, and we're gonna do Lyft, which is LY. And we can see it right here where I'm gonna click on Lyft. And we're gonna do 100 shares. We're gonna buy. We're gonna do a limit. Lyft was at 49.30. Let's do 49.40, and we will do extended hours, and we'll place this order. Okay, Lyft wasn't executing, so I had to up the limit all the way up to 49.49, and I'm running out of time here to go to work, so I just went ahead and did it. It did execute, and it did put it at $49.49. It's showing 49.30. I don't know why I did it, but I needed to do it. So let's sell the call on Lyft. Okay, so we have Lyft expiring in 4 days, and let's sell we bought it at $49.49, so we have to sell the $50 call. So I'm going to click right here on 107, the $50 call. So we're selling Lyft, expiration January 8th, $50 call. We're selling to open, and we're doing a market order. I'm going to review and place this order. Alright guys, so we got Lyft this week. Neo is still showing, it will drop off. Nano is still active, and Zynga. So we'll come back after market open to see if all these got executed. Okay guys, welcome back. The market is now open, and we can see that we got the Lyft call sold, and we got the Zynga call sold. So I'm gonna go to history, and we can see for Zynga we got $13.35, and for Lyft we got $110.35. So we'll update our sheets. Both of these do expire on the 8th. So $13.35 and $110.35. Okay guys, so I updated my calls. So we did a Zynga and a Lyft. We received $13.35 for Zynga and $110 for Lyft. So not a bad week, about $124 there. Still pretty good for this week. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. If you did find value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.